Here we are at Malabar, and I'm about to go on a little walk up this track over here in the national park, Malabar National Park, and have a look. I previously did a video on the war bunkers around there. We'll have a look from this end, which is the north end of Malabar Beach. Over the other side's the golf club on the south side, so we'll go over there later. But for now, on this side, here we go. See here. This is one being abandoned land. Just used to be a dumping ground for people burning cars or rubbish or partying amongst the bushes. And in 3 years ago they decided to turn the whole area into a national park to preserve the area. I'm not sure what this structure was. These, they might be vents. Malabar Headland National Park. Here we go. They have a man-made walkway here. It's a warmish day, it's not too bad. Lovely. A nice fresh breeze. I've been living around this area for about 12 years and I love it. Here it's the remoteness, I like it a lot because it's away from the people. I lived in Bondi Beach and Paddington and Woollahra. They're lovely spots too, but there's just too many people. I'm not really a people person. I prefer the quiet. Serenity. Yeah, as remote as it is, it's got a bit of history. There's quite a few World War II bunker installations, gun installations, and a command post. I did another video on that one a little while ago, and I can put a link to that. And that was just in case we had an invasion from the Japanese, which was, well, Sydney did get invaded and a few suburbs were bombed, and they bombed the HMAS Cuttable, Bellevue Hill, and Newcastle was attacked too. And of course Darwin, which was a big attack. Yeah. Prior to that, there's bunkers up over the North Shore. That was a defence against possible invasion by the Russians. It was a lot earlier on. Hi. Nice colours of this pig face down there. Oh, anyway, pig face succulent plant. I've actually got some growing at home. As you can see, that's a long way down. Well, some I suppose. You don't want to fall down there, that's for sure. That I think, see it says it's an open pit. I suspect that goes a long way down, probably as far down as the bottom of the cliff face over there. Down to the water. And you can hear down the shaft. I think that's the ocean hitting down there. So, wow. Vent shaft. A very long drop. Whoa. See in here. Well, there we have that. There's another room over there. There's some supplies in there. A lot of graffiti around the walls that were done before these were secured and locked to stop further vandalism, because they are supposed to be preserved. Nice little walk. Not that far. Okay, from here we're going to go way over there to that far point, way over there in the distance, and we'll see if we can look at a shipwreck over there. So for now, I'll see you over there. Bye bye. Here we are at Cape Banks. A bit further, it's near La Perouse. There's a pistol range there. That's a pistol range. And over here there's the Westpac helicopter landing pad rescue centre. So we're going to go up to another track and have a look at an old shipwreck. And Botany Bay National Park, Cape Banks Management Trail, all flora and fauna protected. Helicopter base over there.
If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Okay, let's see. We're back on the trail. A different trail than the last one I took. Oh, big rocks again. Oh, my ankles. Not doing my ankles much good. Oh, yeah. Deaths in this area. Hi. The southernmost part of the eastern suburbs of Cape Banks. There's a little canyon down here. there's a golf course over there. New South Wales golf course. It's quite extensive, goes all the way over the back hills, and looks like they're growing a lot more vegetation there. They had a burn off last time I was here. It's all come back. Oh, I tell you what, these rocks are hard on the feet. There you go. There's a shipwreck over there in the distance. I'll have to get a close up with my other camera. There you have our little tour of the southern part of the eastern suburbs, along the cliffs and rocks and stuff. There you go. Magnificent spot. Nice, peaceful. Okay, that's it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.